Once you've created all of the text in your file, Vectorworks also has a spell check feature built into the software. That's located here under the text menu, and then just scroll down to check spelling. Now when you do it that way, you have the option where you can check the whole entire file. If you know what you're looking to check, you can select and deselect these different options. I'm just going to go ahead and say OK. And then one reason that I don't like spell checking the whole entire document is it starts pulling spelling from weird places. Like, I'm not really sure where hardscape-1 lives in the file because it's not in any of the callouts or any of the text blocks that I just added to the file. So I can go ahead and say ignore all, and then why it's asking me or telling me that my font name is spelled incorrect, I don't know, so we'll ignore all of that. But the larger your file is, or the more oddities you're going to have to spell check. And so my preference is to go ahead and just select the objects that I want to spell check and then go from there. And so I'm going to use my select similar tool over here and make sure that that setting is set to object type. So I'm going to first select my callouts over here, and then holding down the shift key, I'm going to come and select all of my text blocks over there. And then you can see I have 11 objects selected. And I can go up here to the text menu, go to check spelling, and now it's still making me spell check my font name, but okay, we'll go with that, and then we're done. And what I should have done is go ahead, let's just make an error in here. There we go, that's a good enough error. So let's walk through that one more time. I'm selecting the callouts as well as the text box, go to text, and then check spelling. And then it's saying that this plating is not in the dictionary, and it's giving me other options. Plating is there, but I don't see planting, and that's fine. If you don't see it in the suggestions, you can just click your cursor in this field and then enter in the correct letters. Click change. We're going to ignore Arial, and then your spell check is complete. And we can see down there that planting is now spelled correctly.